Now there are 5 basic terminologies around which the whole accounting is going to revolve. The 5 basic terminologies are going to repeat themselves literally unlimited number of times, and in order to understand accounting, we need to understand these 5 terminologies which are written in front of you. We are going to start with the concept of assets. Assets are the resources owned by a business. Now we are always going to be talking in business context. We are not going to be talking about things, generally from individual perspective or from a perspective of 2 individuals or bank or someone else. We are always going to be talking about all these terminologies with reference to a particular business. Now, the assets, as I used the terminology, these are the resources owned by business. Resource is something useful for the business. So anything useful for the business is going to be deemed as an asset. After that, the second terminology is what you call as a liability. Liabilities are the owns of a business. These are the obligations of a business that are these are the loans taken by a business which are to be paid in future. So assets are the resources owned by a business. On the other hand, liabilities are the owings of a business. The third terminology is capital. Capital refers to the investment made by the owner in the business. It may also refer to the man-made resources brought in by the owner in the business. So 3 terminologies up till now. We started with what you call as assets, and then liabilities, and then capital. After that, we are going to talk about expenses, a very common terminology which everyone is aware of. Expenses refer to the money paid by the business for buying goods and services. And finally, we come to the last terminology, which is income or revenue. So incomes or revenue refer to the money earned by a business through sale of goods and services. So money earned by a business through sale of goods and services is referred to as income. We are going to be coming across the examples of these terminologies throughout the whole course. That is why I'm not touching them right now, and I'll see you in the next clip with the rules of accounting.